rhetorical synthesis questions on the SAT. How to do this type of question? Well, step number 1, read the question and highlight the task you're supposed to accomplish. Take a moment and read the question. Now, the task here is to emphasize a difference in the origins of the two words. That means we're going to read through the bullet points and see which ones are relevant to this task. That leads me to step number 2, read through the bullet points. The first one is, started in 1925, the Scripps National Spelling Bee is a US-based spelling competition. That's not relevant, right? It does not emphasize a difference in the origins of the two words, nor does it even give you any two words. Next, the words used in the competition have diverse linguistic origins. Again, not any two specific words. In 2008, Samir Mishra won by correctly spelling the word guerdon. Well, that's one of the words. It starts becoming relevant. Guerdon derives from the Anglo-French word guerdon. Well, that's exactly what I was looking for, right? That is the origin of one of the words. Next, in 2009, Kavya Shivashankar won by correctly spelling the word Laodicean. Okay, so there comes the next word. And the final bullet point, Laodicean derives from the ancient Greek word Laodikia. Well, there is the next origin, which is ancient Greek. Now, step number 3 is to do process of elimination, but before I get there, I want to see what the correct answer should do. Well, the correct answer should synthesize or combine the relevant bullet points and achieve the task. Task being emphasizing the difference in the origin of the two words. A. Guerdon, the final word of 2008 Scripps National Spelling Bee, is Anglo-French origin. Great, off to a good start. While the following year's final word, Laodicean, derives from ancient Greek. This has both the components I wanted and it emphasized the difference in the origin. Therefore, in line with what I predicted to be the correct answer, I'm going to keep this. B. In 2008, Samir Mishra won the Scripps National Spelling Bee by correctly spelling the word guerdon. However, the following year, Kavya Shivashankar won based on spelling the word Laodicean. Well, that doesn't really tell you about the difference in the origins of these two words, therefore eliminated. C. Kavya Shivashankar won the 2009 Scripps National Spelling Bee by correctly spelling Laodicean, which derives from the ancient Greek word Laodikia. Now, you see, that's the problem is it only focuses on one of the two words. Our job is to find the difference in the origins of the two words. So, C is out. The Scripps National Spelling Bee uses words from diverse linguistic origins such as guerdon and Laodicean. Does not really tell you the difference in the origin of the two words. So our winner is option A.